Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today, as I was going to record my next video on the series on .NET Maui, where I have actually started making a Node application with .NET Maui with Visual Studio 2022, and as I was going to record the part 2, I came up with a peculiar error with my project that I have initialized in the previous part, which will be in the description. So now let me replicate the error that I was getting. It was working fine when I previously recorded my video, and now if I click on this Galaxy Nexus, now you can see it comes up with so many errors. The name initialize component doesn't exist in the current context, and the name counter button doesn't exist. So expected greater than and all. So here I initially could not find out what the reason is, how to fix and where the thing. Now you can easily see that here this is actually expecting a greater than sign. So this was finally the error, but if you look into the error list, you can see that the property text is set more than once and many other such errors. The initialize component doesn't exist in the current context, and the name counter button doesn't exist in the current context, and error occurred while parsing XML.name cannot begin with this blah blah blah. So luckily I looked into this main page.xaml. So I spotted out that there is this problem, this tilde sign there, which is what it shouldn't have been there. So it removed the error, which I will show in a second. But let's get with that error, replicating the error once again. So when I got this error list here, in the initial stages, in the initial enlistment or listment of these 12 errors, you cannot pinpoint where the error was. However, at one point this character sequence was not expected at this location. That is actually the fix of that's the origin of this error. Of course, you can see that if I get rid of this tilde sign, I can easily run this application. It will build correctly. So yes, now the application comes up and you can see the home screen where I needed to build it to the next stage. So I thought that I will quickly share this video with you before moving on to the second part, which is customizing the app shell. So if you like this video, please do comment, put your comments and likes, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.